Welcome. My name is Cam and I'll be hosting the session you're going to attend. This is the preview video that unpacks what are we going to do. So what'll happen is I'll start off the session, let us get to know each other a little bit, just because I think community is a really important piece of learning anything in this era, right? I don't think just gleaning information from a text is the right way to do it. I think that there is collective intelligence in a Zoom room. And as the leader of the session, as a facilitator, it's my job to bring that to bear to benefit all of us. But from there, I'll give a pretty short talk. It might be 5 minutes, it might be 15, but something covering whatever the topic is. It might be, how do you do lighting? How do you figure out what to say on camera? How do you get good ideas? How do you deliver? How do you do audio, color correction, grading, all these different things. But what I can tell you is that it's going to be aimed for the right level. I'm not going to go too deep into how do you become a professional videographer, right? This is how do we use video to accelerate our career, and most likely when you're at the beginning of the journey. But after I've talked a little bit, will everybody turn off their camera, mute their microphones, turn off their Zoom camera, and then go film something real quick. A minute or two video, something based on that theme, and I will unpack and explain how to do it all. But this is a minimum viable video. The idea of just recording something real quick and dirty, and then we'll do feedback, and I'll give some constructive guidance on how to do this, but you'll screen this video to someone else in a breakout room, which is frankly pretty exciting. A little terrifying at first, but we're all at the same level, so don't worry. It's gonna be a great experience. And I've been running these for quite a while, and it's never disappointing to see the learning that comes from this process. And other people who've done this said that they made more progress in an hour of this style of learning than 4 months of just reading and thinking about it on their own. So I'm so excited you're gonna be part of this, and I will see you soon.